Welcome back to another daily outlook. What's going on? It's first Monday that we are not having a dump on the opening of the week, and this is looking very exciting for the crypto markets now that there is a bit of a FOMO going on all across the board. And we're gonna obviously dive into this opportunity with all of you guys. Let's dive into it. But before we start, do yourself a favor, come and join the Wisdomise trading community. We have a lot of good insights there on day-to-day basis, and yeah, let's check what's going on inside the markets. Let me share my screen, and without further ado, we go and check the good stuff that's being out there in the market. So we have here BTC plus 88 already, and this looking good from the perspective of what we can potentially achieve. However, like this is just from technical perspective, just to see this, we have here some obvious trend lines, and what the price is doing right now is that it's actually, like technically correcting there. So I would not be surprised if we see another low in the short term. That can easily happen, and also we have this EMA sort of support there as well. But not gonna lie, the market looks really healthy, and if you see a plus 20% pumps on any kind of assets, then you see that there is a bit more risk taking going on, and this is something that this is exactly what we really want to see, right? So if BTC is up plus 2% and nearly 80,000, then there is potential that and Solana is actually plus 7%. So obviously the market is not the daily is not closed in any sort of shape, but it looks relatively good. But at the same time, again, I've been telling you about this 1st of April all the time, but if I'm just seeing from this perspective, then this can easily also be just a continuation pattern to the downside. And technically, this is a continuation pattern to the downside on ETH. This is the retest area. This is, you can have some sort of trend lines if you want. I mean, it's easy to draw them anyway, but anywhere, but you really have to use this as a guide, not as a rule of thumb. So if we just zoom out here, let's say, then I think that there is room for correction on this asset, but more than anything, this is actually another leg downside in my opinion. But unless, I mean, this thesis will be invalidated if we just break out from this accumulation pattern and just close above like this. This would be ideal. Then we would potentially have another retest on the trend line back here, and then off we go. So this would be like a structure where, like, a bull trap basically. So yeah, but anyway, we have to wait a few more days. But it's the first time that we can see it's good. It's pumping. It's 30%. It's 20%. It's all across the board. It's green. It's like woohoo. We can actually start making some money soon. Like the market is just waking up from the everlasting bear market vibes that it has been since forever. I can't even remember. Like it's been like few months at least. Few months. It's been like complete like deadness inside the market. And yeah, like let's say for example, if we just take this price action here. Yeah, it's 5th of Feb, so February, March, two months we've been flat, and no one actually knows we're gonna pump, we're gonna start moving up or not. But it's 2 months of little to no activity, just slowly grinding down. You get crazy in this time horizon, because we really want to think about crypto as every day there is, like, we want to see gains every day, every day. But if for 2 months nothing happens, people start getting freaked out, and rightfully so. I mean, no one really knows what's going to happen next, and yeah. Anyway, there are only few assets that only few cryptos that have been performing exceptionally well and have steadily being rising, in despite all the negative market conditions. And what is going to happen most likely next is that they will also be um, pumping even further if the market recovers from here, and if we don't see another dump. But it looks good so far, so let's wait patiently until the market gives us a new sign about what it wants to do next. But until then, um, we have Wisdomise social radar, we have whale radar, we have technical radar, and these are the tools that we are using on a day-to-day basis to have our cryptos, to have our bias, or to have a significant edge in the marketplace. So this is something that we are doing here with you. Technical radar is something that I do personally not use too much, because I just don't believe in technical side of things. There are trillions of different cryptos that all they have technical elements to it, but ultimately there is no um, in crypto there can be no bottom, there can be no nothing. I mean, there is little to no chance that something that is oversold and over and cheap and bearish, that or bullish or whatnot. It just matters about the market and the general sentiment. Like, if the market was like this, like it was now for 2 months, there is no indicator that's gonna technical indicator that's gonna say, hey, this is gonna do a big bump now. No, it's all about the whole um, uh, technical. It's all about the fundamental structure. But yeah, here what we have actually here seen Radar Plus is the new sort of area that we basically give you the best performing cryptos, top trending coins from socials, confirmed by technical analysis. And here we can see the technical sentiment and social sentiment. So they both have to be positive on this to be able to actually come and get on the dashboard. So something that to be mindful of it. But and this morning routine, I've always seen this on the crypto Twitter for many times. So generally speaking, this is the tool. And currently, I am actually seeing a lot of memes are already pumping, but I am more interested in not memes anymore, because memes are really really risky in this current market. They already showed that they can do a lot of gains, but they can also dump very very quickly and very hard. So me currently BSG, Binance Smart Chain, is the one that is out there and that is gaining momentum in all um, socials, and in general as well. It has much more volume than any other chain currently. So this is something that you want to really look at. But on social, there is not much going on either. We just need to wait a few more days and see what's going to happen in with the market, whether we're going to hold this key level or not. This is probably the ultimate question. So yeah, just a few more days, and again, there's no rush. There's no need to rush anywhere. So yeah, have a good one. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care and trade safe.